All right, so we've made the base and now we have to make the handle of the do nothing machine. So here is what the handle is going to look like. I'm going to draw this over to my other screen, but if you just want to pause and draw off of this, that's fine. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a new part studio. I can draw all of this in one part studio and that will work, but I want to do it in two or one for each because I'm used to that from my inventor days handle. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually, based on the drawing, going to do this from the top sketch. And I'm going to draw a rectangle that is 200 by 18. So 200 by 18. And I'm going to put 3 circles in here. I'm going to make sure the first one is on this center line. And those 3 circles should all be the same dimension, which is 8. So we'll go right here, make this 8. And then I'm just going to draw 2 more circles, hopefully on that same center axis. And I'll dimension, whoa, I didn't want to do that. And I'll dimension 1 more on the center axis. I want all of these to be the same size, so I'm going to hit equals. So this one equals this one, and then this one equals this one. So now they're all the same size. They're all on the center axis. If you aren't sure about that, you can click the center of this one and just go through and line them up all on that center horizontal using that constraint. And then we need a couple of horizontal or some constraints here. So we've got this dimension is 12. We've got this dimension as 75. And finally, this one to the far edge is going to be 10. All right, so that was 10. If you can't see it, I'll move it over a little. Okay, so those are the dimensions, 12, 75, and 10. We're gonna finish this sketch here. I'm gonna spin it up, and I'm just going to grab the outside portion, and we only wanna extrude this to a dimension of 6. So there we go. That's the handle, and I'm just going to rename over here, keep everything in order. So handle, and I'm going to change the appearance. Edit appearance. I'm going to make it a kind of brown like the base. So now I have my base and my handle. Very good.